Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Dream Cars ***. The Mahindra Marazzo is a masterpiece of design, performance and practicality, blending style with functionality to cater to families and professionals alike. Let's explore this incredible car in detail, starting with its exterior. The Marazzo's exterior is inspired by the elegance and agility of a shark. Its bold aerodynamic design features a striking front grille with chrome accents perfectly complementing the sleek projector headlamps and LED daytime running lights. These elements come together to give the front profile a premium and commanding presence. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the strong character lines running along the body, enhancing its dynamic look. Stylish dual-tone alloy wheels and body-colored or VMS with integrated turn indicators further add to its modern appeal. The rear design continues the theme of sophistication with a shot fin antenna, sculpted tail lights and a sporty yet clean rear bumper. Practical touches like the rear wiper and reflectors enhance its usability without compromising the style. Now step inside the Mahindra Marazzo and you'll be greeted by a cabin that exudes comfort and luxury. The dashboard features a sleek futuristic design dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system. The system is highly responsive and supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing seamless connectivity for music, navigation and calls. Premium soft touch materials adorn the dashboard and door panels, while chrome accents add a refined touch. The seats are crafted with high-quality upholstery and feature ergonomic lumbar support, ensuring that every ride is a comfortable one. The spacious cabin offers ample legroom and headroom, making it an excellent choice for long-distance travel with family or friends. The rear area of the Mahindra Marazzo is both stylish and functional. The sculpted tail lights and clean bumper design add to its elegant appearance. The boot offers generous storage space, perfect for carrying luggage, groceries or even sports equipment. Additionally, the rear seats can be folded down to create even more cargo space, providing incredible flexibility for your needs. Whether you're heading out on a road trip or running errands around town, the Marazzo has got you covered. The 2026 Mahindra Marazzo takes family travel to the next level, combining refined design with exceptional comfort and top-tier performance. With a sleek, modern exterior, the Marazzo stands out on the road, offering a bold presence without sacrificing practicality. Inside, it features a spacious cabin equipped with luxurious materials, advanced technology and ample legroom, ensuring every journey is smooth and comfortable. The 2026 Marazzo is built for families who desire reliability, performance and a stylish ride. Whether for daily commutes or long road trips, the Marazzo offers an unbeatable blend of comfort, efficiency and driving pleasure. The Mahindra Marazzo is built for those who want a perfect balance of style, comfort and practicality. The powerful engine ensures smooth performance whether you're driving through city traffic or cruising on the highway. Its suspension system is designed to absorb road imperfections, delivering a smooth and comfortable ride for all passengers. Before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dream Cars for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.